Riddick Adventures. ATV play.
We're about to go off-road Gatlinburg on an ATV. Are you ready? Let's go see. Let's go check in, pick out our ATV, and see what they give us. All right, let's go up this mountain here. I see. Let's see on way on that thing. There's a Jeep on a building.
Yeah.
All right, let's go up here and see.
I wonder how they got that on there.
I don't know how they got that on there. Maybe an excavator or something.
Something. Or a crane.
All right. Oh, a crane. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's go see what they give us. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're going on the trail ride. Riddick's adventure! Woo! Here we go. We might see a bear.
Yay.
We're doing a nighttime sunset ride.
Yay. Oh, she's going that one and we're seeing one
on your Sarah here. We don't want to slide down that.
You guys want to move up and over?
Quit sliding. Go up.
You made it to the top of the mountain.
Yeah.
How was it? Was mommy's driving pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you like going fast?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like this.
Okay, let's see. Then come back this way. We don't go that far down.
2, 3.
Woohoo!
You're gonna tear a hole in your camos.
Hey, what was your favorite part? Was it sliding or was it the creek?
Great.
You like all
Whoa.
those rocks?
Yeah.
Why are you guys so muddy?
We think Reagan would have not been happy.
Oh, crab dance, crab dance, crab dance.
Oh, yeah. Henry, stand right here. There's no picture of you.
Hey, look right, hey, back up. Look up right there. Give me a cheese. Hold on. Stay right there. Just stay normal. Cheese. Turn towards me. Turn towards me. Turn towards me. Turn towards me. This way. Yeah, right there, right there. Now do it.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Okay, ready? Line.
Look how muddy our ATV is.
Mom, I jump on the back.
No, it's hot.
Please.
Because we have been giving it the beans. All right, let's go all the way around it, show how muddy it is.
Yeah.
Look how muddy them tires are. Mud. Super muddy.
Yeah, and hopefully they fix that. Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
No, you're good, you're good.
Yeah, so you take
Whoa,
these things, so, and
super muddy.
About 10, 15 minutes.
Even inside we got mud.
That's Johnson Holler. If you hit Johnson
So,
Holler,
and
that's
if you
another
hit Johnson
50.
Holler, you're coming in, so you're coming through here, right? You're coming out.
So cool. We're about to get on the road and let's go again.
So you're coming off your
Look at this killer mountain view.
you take the right and you go to the left. And then the quick all the way to dollar park. And it keeps on building.
Anybody got any questions, comments, concerns about big?
Jeez. Riddick. Yes. Is she crazy? Where's Bigfoot?
Huh?
Where's Bigfoot?
I don't know.
He's not you. No, yeah, he was a little kid. Woohoo!
He's got it in my eye.
Yes, I did.
Hurts now.
What did he say?
It hurts now.
What?
No bird.
Oh, Bert, look like this.
And then open it.
Close up for 1 minute and then open. Close up. Now open.
Or GoPro or cut it.
Cut it.
What do you think?
I probably want to go again.
You want to go again? Oh, wow. Riddick, did you have fun?
Good part.
Y'all have fun?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all done. How was that? 10 out of 10?
Would you go again?
10 out of 10? He's probably going tonight.
No, that's my last one. Now I gotta start. Now we gotta start washing.
Oh, yeah.
There's one more tour though.
Yeah.
It's the moonlight tour.
Okay, that's what I thought.
So there's.
Here you go, jump out.
Everybody have a good time. See,
Hey-ya!
chivalry's not dead, right?
That's right.
Watch your fingers.
You get out?
Yeah, Mimi's got to get her stuff out.
I gotta come on that side. Mimi's got on this side. Mimi's gotta get her stuff out the console back there.
What do you see on the midnight tour?
Jeez.
Just don't touch it. Hear 'em.
Yeah, me too. I think them got it cleaned already.
Yeah. Yeah, they're getting them ready. So come this way.
Hi.
Oh, okay, hide. Don't let them see you. Here they come. Here they come, here they come. Don't let them see you. Here they come.
Where'd Riddick go?
I think he went on the ATV.
He better not have left me.
Oh!
Wrong. You hit me right in the eyeball.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right in the eye.
Horsey, look, I have. Horsey! Horsey, horsey!
Come here, horsies.
Horsey!
Horsey coursey.
Horsey, farty!
Uh-oh, what if we did the horsey corn at them? Tickled their knees.
Horsey corn!
Oh, this one, look. Look, Riddick. Oh, keep waving it. Keep waving it. Oh, he thought about it for a second. Come on, horsies. You know you want our green leaves. Oh, 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 here we go, here we go, here we go. Action. Here we go. Come on, horsey. You know you're hungry for this pretty green leaf. All right, now quit. Go gentle, go gentle. Go gentle. Go gentle. He said, what you got? What you got? he said he didn't like that.
Horse don't eat that. Don't slap at them. They won't eat those leaves, but
Why?
because that'll make them sick.
Yeah, we gotta get maybe a flower. Hey, get that yellow flower maybe.
Okay. As long as I don't get big. Dad don't like flowers?
Sometimes.
Horsey, come on!
Come on, I know you hear me.
I know you hear people like them. You don't know us.
So you don't know us, but we're trying to feed you. We want to be your friend.
Throw things at their head. Don't stick your head between the fence.
Why?
Whoa, they might move because the ATVs are coming. Look at all the ATVs coming. Woohoo! Here they come. They ain't even scared the horses. Woohoo! Wow.
Look, I have horsey.
There you go. There you go. Back up, baby. Oh, they don't want what we have. They're too scared.
Get over here, horsey.
When they put their butts to you,
Yeah.
that's when you back up because they'll kick.
Stinky butts.
Yes, stinky fire butt.
Bye, horses. See you later. We'll see you another time and try to feed you. They're having a good dinner. Throw the flowers in there and let's hit the road. Hey-ya! Horses, hey-ya!
Oh, it's there.
Come on, turkey.
Now let's go.
Let's go. Bye, horsies. Season.
Well, turkey season at home's just now over, so they're hunting a place to lay eggs now.
Turkey, turkey, turkey. She's a tootin' turkey.
That like Hudson.
Mm-hmm. Playing in the mud on a farm. Wow. And then what is there? How many horses do you think is back there?
20.
If I zoom in, y'all can see it. 2. Looks like they're eating. Peeping. Mimi and Daddy are getting out of the truck, coming this way. Let's go show them what this place is about.
Look, watch this.
Pretty cool.
This like my dirt hill.
It is like our dirt hill at home. Let's go show Mimi and Peep how to get in here.
No, I think them already know how.
No, they don't know how. You already got mud in your hair. We ain't even got on the ATV. Don't throw rocks down. They want to keep the rocks in here so it stays pretty. Oh, I hear them. You can hear them way in the distance.
Watch this.
Okay.
I'm taking a bath.
Taking a bath. That's a hard bath with rocks.
I'm taking a bath.